Baggie drops. Career ends. Know the red flag before it traps you. This Baltimore officer staged evidence, and his own camera took him down. Today, we freeze the moment of the plant and hand you 4 quick moves that keep innocent people free.
Go.
Watch the left hand. The bag slides in, then the camera clicks off. Turning a body cam off during evidence collection violates Baltimore Policy 603 and screams, "Something's wrong." First move, record immediately. Maryland law lets you film police so long as you don't block the action. Count it. 32 silent seconds before the big discovery. That silence nuked 34 court cases. Entire files closed overnight. Second move. Ask, "Am I detained or free to go?" If they stall, keep filming and shut your mouth.
Was that 30? Yo. Hold up.
Officer Pinheiro was found guilty of misconduct. The sentence was mostly suspended, but his badge is shredded for good. Third move, never touch found evidence. One fingerprint can stitch a fake story onto you. Fourth move, file for the Bodycam right away. Public records law forces departments to cough it up.
Hold up.
If this breakdown just raised your IQ against dirty tricks, tap subscribe so the next lie never sticks. Recap. Film first, ask status, hands off, demand footage. 30 forgotten seconds killed this setup. Your phone could save the next target. Share before another cop yells, "I just found something."